Welcome back, everyone. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gold and forex market analysis. Now let's dive into the XAUUSD 1-hour chart. Gold is currently trading around 4,155, and the market is still under bearish pressure after failing to hold above the previous support area. Over the last few sessions, sellers have remained in control, pushing price lower while buyers have only managed short-term rebounds. At the moment, price is moving inside a small consolidation range between approximately 4,120 and 4,180. This tells us that the market is waiting for its next major move. Neither buyers nor sellers have complete control yet, so we should wait for confirmation before entering aggressive positions. The first level I'm watching is the 4,180 resistance area. If buyers can break above this level and hold it with a strong hourly candle close, we could see a recovery toward the next resistance zone around 4,218 to 4,234. This green zone is a very important resistance area. If gold manages to break and close above it, market sentiment could shift back to the bullish side. In that case, the next upside target would be around 4,286, which is the next major resistance shown on the chart. However, traders should not ignore the downside risk. As long as gold remains below the 4,218 to 4,234 resistance zone, sellers still have an advantage. Any rejection from this area could trigger another wave of selling pressure. The key support is located around 4,120. If this level breaks with strong bearish momentum, the market could continue falling toward the major demand zone between 4,053 and 4,072. This demand zone is likely to attract buyers again, so it's an area where we may see profit taking from sellers or a possible bullish reaction. So, the trading plan is simple. If gold breaks above 4,180, watch for a move toward 4,218 to 4,234. If that resistance also breaks, the next target becomes 4,286. But if price fails to break resistance and instead falls below 4,120, then the market could extend its decline toward the 4,053 to 4,072 demand zone. Patience is very important here. Let the market confirm its direction instead of predicting the move too early. That's my latest technical outlook for XAUUSD on the 1-hour time frame. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow traders. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next market update. Happy trading.